Welcome to the Humidikit Troubleshooting Guide. If you see the problem you are having with your device listed below, then please feel free to fast forward to that part of the video that will demonstrate the correct troubleshooting method for the issue you are having. Please see our previous video to confirm that your Humidikit is properly set up. A common problem that we see frequently is no green light turning on or mist coming from the Humidikit. This can be solved very easily by double checking the switch on the back is in the on position and the target humidity level needs to be higher than the current humidity level. This Humidikit, for example, is reading 64% humidity and the target level is just 40%. Once we increase the humidity set point, the light comes on and humidity starts being produced. If the light underneath the Humidikit logo has turned red, there are three main culprits. The bottle has run out of water, the humidifier is not level, and the water level sensor is stuck. The first two are very easily solvable problems. However, the water level sensor being stuck is a little trickier to solve. Go ahead and remove the Humidikit lid. Inside on the right, you'll see a little white donut piece. This is the water level sensor. Sometimes it can get stuck in the bottom of the shaft. When this happens, your Humidikit cannot properly sense how much water is in it and it must be freed in order to work properly. This can be accomplished by taking a pen or a small pin and lifting it up from the bottom. Press down firmly on this black cap to secure the float. If your screen reads LLL, or HHH, then your sensor is either disconnected or defective. Please inspect the back of the device to make sure that the sensor is properly wired into the back of your Humidikit. Next, check if the sensor itself is not connected. Open the sensor case by sliding a small flathead screwdriver into this slot right here. Once it is in the seam, gently pry and open the shell to access the circuit board. As you can see, this sensor is disconnected and needs to be reattached to the circuit board. Let's go ahead and plug that back in. Close it up by clasping both sides of the sensor housing together. Now we're going to demonstrate how to change out your Humidikit's humidity sensor. Open the sensor case by sliding a small flathead screwdriver into this slot right here. Once it is in the seam, gently pry and open the shell to access the circuit board where the wire will come unplugged. To disconnect the wire, press down on this tab. Take the replacement sensor and insert the connector into the new sensor's circuit board. Close it up by clasping both sides of the sensor housing together. There are three main reasons why your Humidikit may have mist or water coming from the bottom of it. The first main cause is that the incubator size dial is set too high for the size of the machine. You can fix this by adjusting the round knob counterclockwise to match the size of the incubator you are using. Another possible reason that will be causing condensation to be leaking from the bottom of your Humidikit is a clogged tube that has stopped the mist from leaving your Humidikit and will require the excess moisture to be drained into the Humidikit. Please make sure that the Humidikit tube is in the arc shape to stop the buildup of vapor. If your Humidikit displays a green light underneath the logo and bubbling inside, but there is no mist coming from the top, then the fan is broken and the Humidikit will need to be replaced. If your Humidikit is indicating that it should be producing mist along with bubbling inside your device, yet there is no mist coming from the end of the tube, then there is a strong possibility that the tube is blocked and will require the excess moisture to be drained into the Humidikit. Once the excess moisture is removed, please confirm that your tube is in the arc shape to prevent the blockage from reoccurring. If there is no bubbling inside or mist coming from the top, yet the green light is still on, then the atomizer is defective and the Humidikit will need to be replaced. We hope you can find the proper solution to the issues you are having with your device. If none of these troubleshooting options worked for you, please don't hesitate to contact us here at Incubator Warehouse.